let's say I want to now completely start fresh. I want to wipe everything out and I want to start with a fresh all fresh switch and with none of the configurations. So one of the obvious things that I need to do is erase the startup config. So I erase startup config. So I'm going to erase this, and this is going to wipe that file out. So I hit there. It says, "Are you sure?" Yes, I do. And so now it is complete. Now, I would think at this point in time, if I did a reload, my switch would come up and there wouldn't be any configurations to it. However, I do actually have an extra file on here. Later on, we're going to be getting into VLANs, and when we start covering VLANs, there is going to be an extra file that's going to be created. So if I do a show flash on here, I can see that on this switch, I actually do have this vlan.dat. So if I were to restart this, that file would still exist. So if I truly want to start with a fresh slate and not have anything on this switch programmed at all, I need to remove that. And I do that by typing in delete vlan.dat. It's going to confirm, are you sure that I want to do that? Yes, and confirm, and then it is removed. Hope this video is helping you out. Can you help me out by hitting that like button?